Hi, Assalamualaikum. I'm Siti Kanija. Alright, so this is video 4 in Learning Microsoft Project for BSc 43201. Okay. Right, so what we have done previously, okay, let's check. We are already done creating a new project, and now we are in the managing tasks or activities in the Microsoft project. So for managing tasks and all activities, we have several steps in it. Which are we identify the scope of work, and then list of activity. We list the activities, all the activities needs. We already create the recurring task. We identify the milestone, and now we want to create the WBS. So as I mentioned before, the WBS is the list of activities. Okay, we already create the activities. Okay, so now we want to create the WBS so that all the activities will become dia akan jadi lebih manageable lah. Right, we want to manage it properly. So let's open your project. Okay, open your project again. Okay, recently, this is our activities. Okay, this is what we have done. We create the scope of work. We identify milestone. Okay, we create the recurring task. And now we want to create the WBS. Okay, so WBS content of list activities, list of activities. So this is the list of activities. Okay, to create the WBS. Okay, let's check back your task. Okay, let's check back your task. Okay, for this exercise, this is the WBS. It is depend. Okay. It is depend on the tender description given. Okay, so based on the tender description tu, kita createkan WBS. Ini saya tunjuk the example of this project in graphical. Okay, WBS in a graphical. Okay, so kita tengoklah kat sini. This is preliminaries. Under preliminaries, we have performance bonds, monthly report, and relocation service. And then we have building works. Okay, building works. Under the building works, we have structural, architectural, and M&E works. Okay, so sub-activities of structural works adalah substructure, superstructure. And under the architectural work ataupun sub-activities of architectural work is wall, floor, wall finish, floor finish, ceiling, door, window, and roof. So, if you look at the number item ni, yang ni I already create lah. Saya create sendiri yang ni create sendiri. Okay, so kalau you refer to the tender ataupun document contract, you have to determine by your own the list of activities and how to create the WBS. You have to determine it. So that it is depending on the contract document nanti lah. Kita tengok list of activities there, and then you have to choose which activity belong to what main activities macam tu Okay. So go back to your Microsoft project. Okay, now. Okay. All this item number 2 until 26 is a sub-activities for task number 1 kan? Because task number 1 is our scope of works. Okay. Task number 1 ni kita punya scope of work. So, bawah tu, semua aktiviti yang di bawah itu is a sub-activities to the scope of work ni. Task nombor 1 So, highlight all sub-activities tu. Then, dekat task tab, under group schedule, ada satu icon indent task. The green arrow ke kanan green arrow ke kanan tu, indent task. This is to create all the highlighted tasks to become a sub-task kepada task yang di atas dia, yang berada di atas dia. So semua activities yang kita highlight kan, it will become a sub-task to the activities yang berada di atas dia. Okay, just click. Okay, now you will see that ada some changes happen to your diagram. Okay, you see kat project task ni Gantt chart dia dah jadi macam ni dah. Dia dah this kind of shape. Okay, it means that this is a summary task. Right. Okay, so tadi sub-task for preliminaries is performance bond, monthly report and relocation services. Okay. So highlight these 3 items, okay, to become a sub-task to preliminaries. Okay, and then sub-task for building works is structural work. Ada semua all this dari structural work until the mechanical. So indent task. Okay, so tengok lagi tadi. What we have? Kan, structural work, subtask dia adalah substructure and superstructure. So highlight substructure, superstructure. Architectural work, subtask is wall until roof. Katalah saya terhighlight the mechanical and electrical works. Okay. If you see, dia punya line ni, dia punya tab tu sama kan? Dia satu line kat sini. So it means that this mechanical is subtask of architectural work. Tapi sebenarnya tak betul lah, because the M&E work is the subtask to the kita punya project. Okay. So ni dah tersalah. So kalau tersalah tu just click and then go to the outdone task. So bila kita pilih ni, dia akan change our activities tu kepada summary task lah. Maksudnya dia akan balik kepada level yang sebelumnya. Okay, macam mana nak tahu level So level dalam WBS, okay, this one is scope of work tu level 1. This one is level 1. Okay. This one, prelim, building works and mechanical works is level 2. Okay, structural work, architectural work, performance bond, monthly report, relocation service is level 3 and the others are level 4. Okay, macam mana how to display this level in Microsoft Project? Okay, go to the task name column, highlight. Okay, highlight and then right click, insert column. Okay, cari WBS. WBS. Okay, find WBS column and then just click. Okay, bila klik tu, okay, yang ni kecilkan lah. Small. Okay, arrange the column size back. Okay. Once mean level 1. Kalau ada satu digit, 1 digit only, is indicate level 1. Okay, 2 digit, 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, 1.4 is level 2. Okay, 2-digit number indicate level 2. Okay, 3-digit number 1.2.1, 1.2.3, 1.3.1. That is level 3 in WBS. Okay, so seterusnya lah kalau ada 4, 5 level Okay, then katakanlah kan yang ni sikit we have only 26 item. Let's say you have 1,000 of activities. How to check that you create a right level? Okay, you can show based on the levels. Okay, kita boleh show activities based on the WBS level ni. Okay, so pergi dekat view. Okay, go to view. And then, okay, outline dalam group tab view, group data, icon outline ni, command outline. Okay, let's say kita kat sini show subtask ni semula. Okay, all subtask. Katakanlah kita pilih just choose level 1. So dia akan display yang level 1 saja. Okay, katakanlah you create, bila you create tu ada number 2. Bila ada number 2, it means that dia dah memberi maksud kepada maksud projek that itu adalah skop yang berbeza daripada yang nombor 1 ni So dia tak, dia bukan skop yang sama lah. Means you have 2 different project kalau ada nombor 2 tu. So better check Okay, that's why we have to check. Okay, and then cuba view level 2. So dia akan view all the item in level 2 only. Okay, so level 3. So view sampai level 3 sajalah. So all subtask. Kalau nak view semua, just click all subtask. Right, itu untuk create WBS. Okay. So bila dah create WBS, now last task ataupun last activity dalam setting up second last bukan last. Second last activities dalam managing the task in Microsoft Project ni is to set our working time. Okay, default setting. Okay, boleh check dekat file. Dekat option. Schedule. Okay. This is the default setting yang ada dalam Microsoft Project. Week start on Sunday, fiscal year January. So default start time is 8 AM. Default end time is 5 PM. Hours work per day is 8 hours per day. So akan jadikan 40 weeks hours per week 20 days per month. Okay. Show assignment unit ni later with decimal Okay, tengok. Duration kita enter, apa-apa duration yang kita enter dalam ni adalah dalam bentuk days. Work is in hours. Alright. So default setting in Microsoft Project is working from Monday to Friday, 8 to 5, 8 hours per day. So dia break 8 to 12, lepas tu 1 to 5. That's become 8 hours per day. 8 AM to 12 PM. 12 PM to 1 PM is break. So 1 to 5. So total up is 8 hours per day. Okay, itu default setting dia. Okay. Let's say our project, katalah kita nak ubah kita punya working hours kita. Okay, our working days to become Sunday to Thursday, 8 AM to 12 PM, 1 PM to 5 PM, and Saturday, 8 to 12, 1 to 5. Okay, non-working day is Friday. Sekarang kita kat Johor kan. Okay, so let's say we follow the standard working hours in Johor. So non-working day is Friday. So kita nak ubah lah. Instead of Monday to Friday, kita nak buat Sunday to Thursday, and then Saturday is a working day. So kita nak ubah ni Right. So nak ubah working hours, pergi dekat project, tab project. Pergi dekat group properties, icon change working time. Okay, dia akan keluar view macam ni Right. Dekat bawah ni ada dua tab, exception and workspace. Okay, this is your calendar. The white color indicate working day. Non-working is grey color. Okay, so nampaklah ni Sunday and Saturday is non-working day. Okay, to change the whole weeks, okay, the whole days sebagai working ataupun non-working day, kita akan pergi ke work weeks. Okay, you choose the work weeks. Okay, kat sini ada default default calendar. Okay, default ni, make sure dia aktif kat default ni, and then you go to details. Pilih details. Okay, dia keluar pop-up window, details for default. Okay, Sunday ni, tengok use project default time. So kalau project default adalah non-working lah. Monday, project default dia nampak 8 to 12, 1 to 5. Okay, so Sunday ni kita nak ubah jadi working times. So klik Sunday, choose set this to this specific working time. So yang ni masukkan 8 AM to, ni tukarlah 12 PM. Okay, yang ni you cannot you cannot enter like this 8:00. Dia tak baca. Kalau nak masukkan ikut ada titik-titik tu, follow the format. Otherwise, project cannot read your information. Kalau tak pun just senang, just masukkan je 8 AM, 1 PM until 5 PM. Okay, dah. So Sunday change to specific working time 8 to 12, 1 to 5. Okay, and then bila klik OK, you will see that sebelum ni Sunday is non-working kan. Now is a working time. Right, Saturday ni working, Friday yang non-working. Okay, so pergi balik dekat details. Go to the Saturday. Sama Sunday dengan Saturday tadi same set lah. So 8 AM to 12 PM, 1 PM to 5 PM. Okay, so this is 8 hours Satu hari dikira sebagai 8 jam bekerja. Okay. And then ni Saturday, Friday default. Sekarang ni default dia adalah working. So set this to non-working time. So dia akan jadikan Friday ni as a non-working time And then click OK. So bila klik OK, Saturday and Sunday is changed to the working time, and Friday is changed to non-working. Okay, itu untuk ubah keseluruhan kalender kita lah. Right, to change the whole calendar. Okay, and then since we have a lot of public holidays, okay, we have a lot of public holidays, so we have to consider all these public holiday into our calendar. Okay, kita kena consider. Unless kalau even public holiday pun the contractor the works jalan as usual, tak perlu consider lah. Tapi let's say kita ambil this public holiday is a holiday lah, cuti Right, so this is the information for public holiday. Right. So now we want to create this public holiday into our calendar. Okay. Tadi work weeks kan? Now we go to exception. Sebelah dia ada exception. Okay, there are two ways of creating the exception. Exception ni maksudnya hari-hari tertentu yang kita nak hari bekerja tertentu yang kita nak ubah dia menjadi non-working days. Hari saja. Dia bukan keseluruhan minggu. Macam kalau keseluruhan minggu tadi we use the work weeks. Okay. Kalau untuk special day we are going to use the exception. Okay, there are two ways of creating exception in the Microsoft project. Okay, first you just type kat sini adalah typo sum. Yang first tadi typo sum. Typo sum is on 18 January. 18. So drag calendar tu cari 18 18 January. So kalau one day, cuti tu one day only. So it is start 18, so finish pun 18. Okay. Okay. So bila dah create tu, you will see that at your calendar 18 tu dah jadi exception day. Nampak dia dah jadi blue color. So this is considered as exception lah. Maksudnya when the project calculate your list start time semua tu nanti, dia akan consider this as a non-working days. So kalau katakanlah aktiviti tu berlaku pada 16 hingga 20 hari bulan, it means that dia cuma 4 hari saja. Yang 18 ni tak di consider sebagai working days. So kita kena ambil kira benda tu. Okay. And then apa lagi? Second way kita pilih tarikh dekat kalender ni. Chinese New Year is on 1st. So cari kalender tu 1st February is Chinese New Year. So klik dekat kalender tu first. Just type Chinese New Year. So dekat start tu automatically dia akan jadi 1st of February. So Chinese New Year 2 hari. Finish on 2nd of February. Okay, so then masukkan semua Sultan Johor 23rd of March. Okay, tengok 23rd of March. Okay, so Sultan of Johor. Birthday. So sehari 23rd. Okay. And then awal Ramadan. Awal Ramadan is on 3rd of April. 3rd of April. Sunday. Okay, 3rd of April. 3rd of April. And then Labor Day. Labor Day 1st of May. Ni Labor Day. First of May. And then we have Hari Raya Aidilfitri. Hari Raya Aidilfitri is on 3rd of May sampai 4th. Let's say your company is cuti for Hari Raya for 1 week. So masukkanlah seminggu. Kalau site tu memang tak bekerja seminggu, so masukkan seminggu. And then we have Wesak. Wesak is on 15. 15 adalah Wesak. Let's see Agung. Agung birthday is on 6 of June. 6 of June. Okay, yang ni tak ada terjadi. Okay, let's say exception tu jatuh pada hari Jumaat. Contoh kita tengok contoh. Katakanlah exception jatuh pada hari Jumaat. Contohnya katakanlah cuti ada satu public holiday jatuh pada hari Jumaat. Okay. So kalau cuti hari Jumaat, Sunday is considered as a public holiday. Dia akan carry forward kan? Carry forward. Tapi Saturday working Saturday is working day. So you have to create public holiday tu. Kalau saya buat contoh je kat sini later we are going to delete it again. To delete it back. Okay, katakanlah public holiday is on 4th of March PH Friday, let's say saya bagi contoh. Cuti is on 4th of March. So yang ni pun 4. Okay. Katalah cuti public holiday jatuh pada Jumaat. Public holiday on Friday will carry forward to Sunday. Okay. So kalau macam ni, even though we have created Friday is non-working day and there is a public holiday on Friday, project dia tak consider kata automatically carry forward, tak ada. So you have to create it by yourself. Okay, so now Friday tu memang dah cuti, just masuk je, and then masukkan lagi satu PH Friday carry forward. Ni sebab nak bagi tahulah yang 6 hari bulan Mac tu is ganti yang 4 hari bulan tu. Okay. Tu macam mana kalau kita nak buat cuti ganti samalah kalau macam for negeri that working on Sunday. Let's say Sunday is public holiday and Sunday also is non-working day. So automatically Monday will be cuti Okay. So holiday on Monday tu kalau ada, just masukkanlah hari the start date tu hari Ahad tu and then the finish date hari Isnin. So terus masukkan Okay, now delete back yang ni. So ni contoh je. Okay. So all the exceptions kita dah create, and if there is any what we call ada exception lain yang maybe bukan public holiday tapi mungkin company pergi cuti ke and so on, so no working on site kan, so you can create juga masuk dalam exception Okay, so bila dah sudah tadi we already change the working hours, and then we are creating exceptions, and then just klik OK sahaja. Okay. Dia takkan ada apa-apa perubahan Okay, it will have no changes kat sini, tak nampak pun. Cuma nanti dia akan effect when we enter the durations lah. So durations ni nanti cuma mengambil kira working days sahaja. Okay. Duration dia tak ambil kira non-working day. Katakanlah kan. So katalah macam tadi I said the example, let's say the activity A dia punya duration adalah 5 hari starting from 16 of January. So dia akan kira 16, 17, 19, 20 dan 22. Itu adalah 5 working days. So yang exception ke memang hari yang tidak bekerja tu tidak dikira sebagai durations. Okay. Okay. So kita dah as for now kita dah create kita punya new project. We already key in the scope of work. list all the activities involved in the project. And then we create the milestone. Kita dah identify the milestone. And then dah develop our WBS. And just now we are changing the working time and also key in the exception for the project. Okay, itu yang kita dah buat sehingga setakat ini. Okay, I think kita stop dulu for now. Okay. Oh no, tak boleh stop lagi. Okay, sorry. We are creating the dependencies. Dependencies dulu. Kita nak create dependencies dalam project ni. Okay, dependencies ni adalah relationship between one activity to another lah. Dia mungkin boleh ada pelbagai. Right. There are 4 type of relationship that are available in the project planning and scheduling, which is finish to start. Maksudnya finish activity A, start activity B. That is finish to start. And then start to start. Kalau start to start means dia start serentak lah. Aktiviti tu akan start serentak. Finish to finish means dia akan serentak habis. Okay, habis sama-sama. And start to finish, activity A start, B finish. Okay, this is 4 type of relationship yang ada dalam Microsoft, bukan dalam Microsoft for project planning and scheduling. Okay, so dalam Microsoft Project, kita akan guna short form ni lah. FS is finish to start, SS start to start, FF finish to finish, and SF is start to finish. Okay, default setting in Microsoft Project, dia consider finish to start. Maksudnya kalau kita masukkan apa-apa value, dia akan consider sebagai finish to start kalau tak ada yang lain-lain ni. So, macam mana nak create dependencies? Okay, dependencies ni nak create sebab dia dalam konsep project kita punya activities tu semua ada proses kan. After this, after this. That is the process kan. Apa hubungan dia? So itu yang kita panggil dia sebagai dependencies lah. Alright. Okay, now katalah kita nak create dependencies. Okay, dependencies tu kita akan create dekat ni column predecessors ni. This one you can expand Ni boleh kecil besar. Right, so dependencies we are going to create in a predecessors column. Dia ada 2 satu predecessors, satu successors. Either one only. Untuk create either one only. Okay, pilih salah satu sahaja. Apa-apa nilai yang you masukkan dekat predecessors, dia akan automatically ubah dekat successors. Predecessors ni maksudnya secara mudahnya kita boleh define dia sebagai macam aktiviti yang sebelumnya apa. Itu predecessors. Successors apa aktiviti yang selepasnya. Okay, so itu predecessors dan successors. So choose one. Biasanya kita akan guna predecessors lah. Okay. Performance bond and insurance. Kita start dengan performance bond. Insurance. Dia adalah, let's say kita kata performance bond kita bayar masa early ataupun sebelum start project dah kena bayar performance bond. Ataupun ada 2 lah. Sama ada bayar lamsam sepenuhnya pada awal kontrak. Okay, performance bond boleh performance bond boleh dibayar pada awal projek ataupun biasanya contractor choose to pay secara interim lah. Dia akan potong during the progress claim. Okay, so kita buat predecessors. Let's say project performance bond insurance, we have to pay early. So, itulah dia relationship dia adalah start to start dengan project start. Means project start je we have to pay the insurance. So kita buat start to start. Okay. Kita akan masukkan 2SS. 2SS. Okay. 2 indicate number task ni. Number task SS tadi start to start. Kalau tengok dekat Gantt chart area, you will see the arrow ditunjuk start to start. Okay. 2 indicate project task nombor 2 dekat dalam your project. Okay. For recurring task, there is no need to create the predecessors. Okay, tak perlu. Okay, and then katakanlah relocation. Location pun start the project, terus buat relocation services. So yang ni pun kita masukkan to start to SS. Kalau tak masuk ke apa-apa, katakanlah you just key in to, it means that to finish to start. Okay, so kalau nak buat other type of relationship ataupun other type of dependencies, so you have to create ataupun you have to key in dia punya short form tadi. Kalau start to start, masukkan to SS. Okay. And then substructure. Let's say substructure start after relocation services finish. Okay, substructure start after relocation services finish. So dia punya relationship adalah 12 finish to start. So, tak ada apa-apa tu means finish to start Okay. Substructure start after superstructure start after substructure complete. So dia akan jadi 15 finish to start. Okay, and then wall. Let's say kita buat wall after superstructure. Okay, superstructure complete, then kita start dengan wall. Superstructure is 16. 16 finish to start. Okay. Floor after wall Floor after wall. 18. Floor finish. Wall finish. So wall finish dulu baru floor finish So wall finish after floor lah. Kadang-kadang kita ikut sequence dulu 18, 19. Okay, floor finish after wall finish 20. Ceilings. Ceiling kena tunggu roof Ceiling kena tunggu roof. Okay, katalah roof kita install after complete superstructure. So kalau tak nanti basah, habis basah kita punya wall kan. So kita install roof after complete superstructure. So 16. Okay, wall ni tadi, wall finish untuk wall finish. Since dalam what we call during the wall punya activity, kadang kita buat trunking untuk M&E punya work, so wall finish should consider ataupun should start after the M&E works complete juga. Okay, selain daripada dia kena tunggu floor siap, dia kena tunggu juga M&E work complete, then the wall finish can start. So kalau nak letak dua, macam tadi, sama ada letak 19 for wall, then comma mechanical 25. Kalau nak letak 2 or more dependencies, just masukkan comma saja. Okay. Okay, mechanical after wall. Mechanical after wall Bila wall dah siap, kita nak buat trunking and so on. Katakanlah kita panggil M&E works So mechanical after wall. Wall is 18. Okay, now ceiling Let's say ceiling start after roof. Okay, ceiling start after roof complete, after floor finish complete. Okay, so ada dua, ceiling, floor finish is 21 and roof is 24. Okay, ni door and window after ceiling sah. Let's say after ceiling 22. Okay, project finish, project akan kira siap apabila all the main item ataupun all the main elements for your project is complete. So to make sure that all element complete tu, kita ada tadi kita punya sub activities ni kan, main element dalam kita punya project 1, 2, 3 ni. So we have to make sure the element this building dengan architectural and M&E M&E under building. So satu je lah, building works. We have to make sure that building works complete, then baru project tu dikira siap. So yang ni kita boleh letak building works is 13. Okay. Because building works ni dikira sebagai main element. Okay, main element. Jadi apa-apa yang berada di bawah ataupun sub task kepada building works ni akan termasuk kat sini. Right? So confirm lah. Yang ni sebab kita nampak kita boleh nampak dia punya activities tu. So biasanya tak tertinggal. Tapi when we have 100 or 1000 of activities, kita dah tak nampak dah list of activities ni. So that's why kita akan tagkan dia ataupun kita buat dia punya dependency tu terhadap dia punya main element kat sini Okay. Untuk main activities macam ni yang kita panggil dia main task main task untuk yang ada summary ni. Okay, all the summaries yang ada summaries macam ni. Simbol macam ni kan. Dia punya gancat ni view macam ni. This is we call it as a summary task Summary task we don't need to put any predecessors on it. Tapi dia boleh jadi predecessors kepada aktiviti lain. Okay? Tak perlu letak predecessors kepada dia. Tapi dia boleh jadi predecessors kepada aktiviti lain. Right. So dah nampak all the relationship. Okay, so ni menunjukkan relationships between one activity to another. Right, so that's it untuk managing task. Kita dah create ni tadi scope of work, list of activities. We already identified the milestone. We develop recurring tasks, develop WBS, and changing the working time. Okay, consider all the public holidays. And lastly tadi, we assign dependencies between activities. So that's all for managing tasks. Okay, so later kita akan continue with managing resources. Okay. Okay, we'll meet again in upcoming video. Right, thank you. Bye.